we actually shared what are the top 10 cybersecurity threats that's upcoming or foreseeable in 2030. So this is the entire booklet that summarize the challenges and give an assessment of the risk impact for each challenge. And it's actually about 20 pages worth, okay? So I don't know about you. I don't really want to read all 20 pages, but you can if you want to. So I'll leave the link to download this PDF. But for those who are a little bit busy and don't want to read the entire 20 pages, I'm going to show you a nifty trick on how to get the top 3 takeaways. And you do not need to use a paid version of any chatbot. Okay, let's see how I do it. I already have this PDF saved in my Google Drive. Okay, I'm just showing you the offline version on my desktop. So what I'm going to do is, because I've written on my extension, I can actually put in this. See, if I put an @ sign, I can go to my Google Drive, and this is the instruction I want it to do. Look for the PDF. There's 20304 site booklet. Give me the top 3 takeaways. So you see, Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is accessing my Google Workspace now because I've already granted access under the extension settings. And now, there you go, right? You have top 3 takeaways from the PDF.